Hello students, I Prabha Sharma welcome you to the next content of the financial statement without adjustments. Today you may have to see the specimens of the trading and profit and loss account and the items listed in the book. Now first of all you may see here the different items appearing in the trading and profit and loss account are to be explained. Number 1, to the debit side the opening stock word is referring to the stock in hand at the beginning of one accounting year. Then purchase minus purchase returns is equivalent to the net purchase. This refers to the goods have been purchased for the resale purposes and the purchase on the debit side entertained to the trading accounts. It may be related with the cash or to the credit, means the both purchases are to be there. And if the goods are returned, that means to be deducted from the purchase. So next one is the direct expenses are to be entertained. Like the example is wages. Wages is referring to the remunerations paid to workers. The remuneration for the workers directly engaged with the working of factory for loading, uploading and productions of the goods. Only then it will be debited to the trading accounts. Then carries inwards and the freight inwards. That means these are the expenses of the item during the transportations and the which are to be incurred for the bringing the materials and the goods purchased to the place of the factory or you may say to the business. These items are to be paid in respect of purchase of goods. That means but are engaged with the purchasing of goods and are coming to the organization. So that's why these expenditures are to be debited to the trading accounts. Fuel, water, power, gases. These are to be used in the production process. That's why it is to be considered as direct expense and will remain to the debit side of the trading account. Purchase material and packaging charges related to the direct expense to the goods only, or if the goods are packed and the materials are packed. So this refers to the part of the cost of goods sold. And then packaging refers to the maybe the small container, maybe the big container, but using for the transportation of goods. So that's why it is to be called as entertain here. But if directly used, then will remain here. If indirectly used for the, that means it will go to the profit and loss account. So it depends upon the natures. These are the item which comes to the debit side of trading accounts. Now the items related to the debit side of the profit and loss like salaries. If the salary and administrations and warehouse and services returns for the business, then all these salaries will go to the profit and loss side, debit side. And the rent paid for any type of the rent paid, go down rent, municipal tax, factory rent. But the factory rent will go to the trading accounts and the office rent will remain to the here. Rent, interest paid on loan, bank overdraft, and any other type of the expenses will be entertained as to the debit side of the profit and loss account. Commission paid on the any kind of commission is paid, that means it will also be considered to the debit side of. But if it is of the goods, we may consider on the trading accounts. Then repairs, any repairs for the machinery, any replacement expenditures. So these are to be considered as the part of the debit side of the profit and loss account. And any other miscellaneous expenses other than all one will remain to the debit side of the profit and loss account. This is a disclosure of the expenses. Direct expenses will go to the trading and indirect expenses will go to the profit and loss. Direct word is referring to the directly engaged with the purchasing and procuring of goods. and the other items which are engaged with the selling of goods will remain to the debit side of the profit and loss account. Now the items on the credit side, generally the first item is the sale minus returns. The sale word means inflow. The total sale may be related with the cash or credit. If returns is there, may be deducted from this, will remain to the credit side of the trading accounts. And the other incomes, other than this, the income received from interest received, rent received, dividend received, discount received, commission received, all will remain to the credit side of the profit and loss accounts. So I think this is the clarity of your nature of items belongs to the specimens of the trading and profit and loss account. Thank you.